Marketing. There's a lot of different choices to make when marketing your property. Hi, I'm Benjamin Tetzlaw, Realtor at Coldwell Banker Preferred Real Estate in Steinbach. Today we're talking about your home. Different real estate agents do different things, but our top priority is to connect your property with a buyer. That's the end goal. A lot of the way we do that is through our marketing efforts. I'm going to simplify that for you today. Here's a simple overview of how I would market your home. To begin with, we have something I like to call traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is print marketing, open houses, door hangers, postcards, cold calling, and that type of thing. It's a traditional or typical marketing that you expect when you list your home. Another type of marketing is digital marketing. Anything done online like website, advertisement, blog, or YouTube video, that is digital marketing. Anything online that is driving someone to a website to capture their information. The third type, which we really drive on, is social media marketing. Social media marketing could consist of Facebook and Instagram, for example. Using social media is only as good as the audience that you have on social media. So if you don't have a big audience, there wouldn't be as much power to market there. Social media could be considered digital marketing, but I like to have it at its own category because it's really so powerful beyond what the normal digital marketing is. I will use those three strategies when marketing your property. The really powerful thing is when put all together, more people get to see your home, and that's exactly what we want in order to find the one buyer for your home. Thanks for listening, and remember to subscribe below for more helpful videos.